this is just a quick video of how to mix up filler. Quite a simple video, but it might help you. There's plenty of ready mixed fillers on the market, such as Red Devil, Polyfilla do one. Most people do a ready mixed filler, but sometimes it's easier to knock up your own because you may need it a bit thicker than the ready mixed stuff comes in. There are certain ways of doing it. Years ago you used to knock it up on a board, but you can now get these pots. That's what I've got. Not very flexible, but they also now make a silicone pot that you can actually, once you've mixed the filler, you can turn it inside out, give it a good clean, and pop it back the other way. So yeah, quite good. But if you're only doing a little bit of filling, it's quite, it's a bit expensive, you don't really need. So the quick and easy way to do it is to get yourself a paint tin like that. Make sure the top's clean. Get your filler. Now I'll keep my filler in this old wipe tub because it just stops the bag splitting in the van and it keeps it up together nice and tidily. So pull that onto there as much as you like. So you got that in the middle. Then with your filling blades you can make a little dent in the middle, as if you're mixing pasta dough really. So you've got your little dent in the middle there. Get your water, pour it in the middle, and then just flick your bits of filler into the middle to where the water is, like that, gently, so that the filler is absorbed by the water. And then once you've got it, you can mix it around a bit. Looks like it's going to need a little bit more water, so get your water, a little bit more of a drop on there, like that. There you go. Wipe it round so you've got all the dry bits are mixed in. Like that. Now what you're going to need to do is clear this lid off so you haven't got no dry filler left on the lid. There's nothing worse than taking the lid off and then a load of dry filler, mixing it, dropping into your new paint. So make sure once it's dried you keep the lid nice and clean. Now there's another little tip. We normally get the empty colourants from our Decorators merchants to colour some filler sometimes, especially if you're painting a ceiling. It's quite hard on a white ceiling to see white filler, so if you can get yourself some food colourant, just add a little drop in there, like that. That might even be a bit too much. And then mix that in, like that. You can now fill your ceiling and also see where the filler is. And it's not so hard on your eyes, it makes your job a lot easier against a white ceiling. You don't want to put too much colouring because you want it to cover with the paint, but yeah, it gives you it's easier for you to see where you need to rub down. So there you go. Nice. Give it a bit more of a mix. There you go, a nice drop of filler. I hope that's helped. If it has, don't forget to subscribe and I'll speak to you soon.